Open Audacity and open the audio file which you want to trim. Now select the portion which you want to trim from your audio file by holding the left click button on your mouse. Now drag and select the portion.
On the dark side.
Now stop the track and click on Trim Audio in Edit section. Now move the selected track to the start line.
On the dark side. On the dark side.
Now for selecting the track portion perfectly, you can zoom in and zoom out on your track like this.
On the dark side.
After completing all your steps, click on Export as WAV or MP3 in File section. Enter the file name. Select the quality, speed and channel mode and click on Save. And that's it. In this way you can trim audio using Audacity. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
On the dark side.